Aloha, my name is Lazana Finau, and I'm majoring in Business Management Human Resources, and I'm minoring in Pacific Island Studies and Mathematics. And this will be my last year here in PYO, Hawaii as a senior. Oh. Alright, so I'm from one of the tiny small island in the Pacific, Kingdom of Tonga. And I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters. My older brother died my first year in BY Hawaii, this one, and I'm left with 3 brothers and 2 sisters, and I love my family so much. Little thing about myself, I really love outdoor activities. Spending time with friends, meeting new people, and making new friends. Also learn and experience new things, and love working with my hand, making DIY. And mahalo.